To get this good exercise, consumer will buy, let's say, good sport shoes, attire, join the gym, maybe golf club like this, and nutrition food, 3 times a day. I do more than that. And what we spend for that, we buy fresh food, buy good food, organic food, spend quite a lot on this. And clean water, how much we need? 2.5 liters. Everyone knows about this. What we do about that? We use clean water, we drink clean water, bottled water, maybe we buy water purifier, spend thousands on this. And we need clean air, everyone knows. And what do we do about that? Do you do anything about this? So Shark has come up with this solution, amplifier. Shark amplifier comes with this, these 6 solutions to take care of air quality. Number 1, HEPA filtration. HEPA filtration take care of the airborne particles as fine as the 0.3 micron. Plasma cluster technology. This is one of the kind technology propriety of Shark's invention way back in year 2000. Primary objective to take care of bacteria, viruses, odor, allergen, mold in the air, and then the powerful air suction, which will make sure all the air in the room suck into the filter to be clean and deliver all the clean air to the every corner of the room. Humidifying function to compensate the dryness in the air conditioned room, and monitor and control the sensor built into an amplifier to make sure that we know it's continuous working. Yeah, and also finally, comprehensive lineup. Shark has one of the best lineup of amplifier in the market now. With this solution, we have taken care of all the contaminants we know in the air. Yeah, like bacteria, virus, my allergen, 40L amplifier with mosquito catcher. This model has been developed together with collaboration with IMR, Institute for Medical Research, an agency under Ministry of Health, and with a Shark utmost priority, this product has to be developed without using any hazardous material to make sure that it is safe to be used even in households with small children. This is the specification briefly. And this product, after being developed, they have been tested with the IMR, and this shows the result. 91% of QLEX have been arrested, 73% of Aedes mosquito, and as a bonus, 72% of houseflies, which is also a nuisance to us. So this is how the amplifier with mosquito catcher basic structures look like. This is the base model with the HEPA filter, carbon filter, free filter, blue sheet, and panel. I have a model over. I have the set over here. Can show to you. This from the back. This is the panel, mosquito panel with the glue sheet, and this will be the pre-filter. And the carbon filter, and this is the HEPA filter that we're talking about. And with this combination of configuration, we have delivered a very, very good performance in order to get rid of all the contaminants in the air. This is the sink camera angle, and flying outside, and once it's sucked in, flying around and catch. So this is the mechanism how we arrest the mosquito inside this wonderful machine. Catch, 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 catch her. We can see how it comes in, and actually, oh, okay. This is how long the filter we have, and we squeeze it compact, put inside the amplifier. You can see, with that machine in the house, we have this big piece of filtering the air quality, make sure the air quality is good inside the house? Big?
No.
Thank you, effort. The air is one of the type of technology to make sure that every corner of the room, the air will be cleansed. Triple filtration, including a HEPA filter, to make sure that all airborne particles will be arrested. This is the most appealing features, especially at this moment in time when we have the haze attack. A unique airflow to make sure that all the dust will be sucked in and all the clean air will be delivered to every corner of the room. And mosquito catching function, safe and sound. We don't use chemical, we don't use harmful material. So customer, no need to use like what you use for repelling the mosquito, aerosol, mosquito coil, which emits some smell and is poisonous. And not to mention about the mosquito coil, possible the fire hazard. So this will be the benefit we offer with this amplifier. So with this, that's the end of my presentation.